Oh, I got it on camera. Oh, you okay, RJ? Oh, man. Hey.
I got it on camera.
Say it, I can't hear you.
But you need to take that out.
Oh, okay. Alright, what about that?
I made my weenie tick out.
What did?
Why did we
You talking about the roller coaster?
Yeah.
What did it do?
Made my weenie tick off.
Okay, let's go. We gotta go now. Come on.
Wait.
Don't touch.
Never.